do you need to put that little angle gubbins on your Ring doorbell? You're watching this, it's got to mean this. I couldn't have said it better myself. Well, here, look, you can see there's my little angled thing on there. Do you need to have it angled? Could I just have it straight? Well, what you'd have to do, of course, is then you'd have to drill holes here, so you can still drill in into the wall without without having that angle thing, or you could flip the angle thing the other way so it's pointing the other way. All many configurations, but you know, I don't think it really makes much of an odds, really, because actually these cameras here have got such a wide angle lens. Let me show you there what the wide angle lens looks like on here, and basically I can see the whole of my front yard, so I've got a pretty much a 180-degree view on there, so it's kind of pointing out at such a sharp angle each way. It doesn't really make a lot of odds, I'll be totally honest. So I would be inclined to have the camera angling perhaps towards the door using the angle unit, which is great. So folks, you can see on here what I'm talking about with the range. This is coming through that Ring camera now. I can go miles over that way, and I can go miles over that way. Now the camera is angled away from this car, but I can see way past that car. That just shows you the incredible range on this 180 degrees camera on the Ring doorbell. If you want to use the Ring doorbell for just wider security, rest assured that that Ring doorbell range is quite significant, and also you can set it up to look at sensitivity, movement control, motion detection, that's what they call it, and you can also configure, I'll show that over there as well, the areas in which get activated by that movement. So you can really use the Ring doorbell as a security measure, as well as a really useful, enjoyable and fun addition to your front door locality on your home. Catch you next time on the Ring Schming flip side. I couldn't have said it better myself.